You're going to get a chance to see everything from barnstorming biplanes, vintage World War II machines, some mid-60s jets from the Korean and Vietnam era time frame. You're going to get a chance to see some great formation flying, some hardcore aerobatic flying, demonstration. So folks, thank you so much for coming out, being with us. We're looking forward. It's going to be just a great day here. So enjoy your day and take good care of yourself and enjoy what's going to be a lot of fun. We're just a few minutes away from our jump run here. Again, we got our great team here from the Quad City Skydivers in the air. We want to remind you as you watch the Quad City Skydivers here today that they see how they're doing. Have you ever thought about doing the skydiving? You can see these are the pros. Make sure you talk to them about how you can become involved with this incredible sport. They're based out of the Genesee, Illinois Airport, and they provide training and that kind of thing. So you can see how you can become part of this whole operation. So right now we've got our team as high overhead. Our feature show here in just a couple of minutes. So folks, thank you so much for coming out. Spend your Sunday with us. And that's something we don't say here at the Northern Illinois Airshow often. This is the first time we've had a full weekend show in memory, and we're certainly thrilled to have all of you with us here as we get ready to kick off. It's going to be a great Sunday edition. Down the show line in parade review, we got a pair of the North American Aviation T-6 type aircraft. Texan in Killen will be flying anywhere on the grounds while you get yourself something to eat, something to drink, checking out the displays. We use the world's largest theater screen. Smoking down the show line, that's Brad Neckert in his TBM. And right behind him. T-6 is coming by first. Let's take a look here as we see coming down our show line. Nice standing on the wingtip there by J.P. Mellor. Airplane, Tim Gillum. Beautiful view there of that yellow Air Force One. Chicago area guy. TBM's coming down the show line. Our lead aircraft is Brad Decker with the smoke on. This particular airplane is a tribute to President as authentic as humanly possible. Brad has owned this airplane for over 20 years, and each year he hosts a TBM event that has grown in popularity throughout the years, and something that you can think about going to and enjoying in the springtime of the year. As the TBM event is in Peru, Illinois, down by the Illinois River. And you see a nice collection, the largest collection of TBMs in the world each year. So again, that's down in Peru, Illinois, May 15th and 16th. As we watch going by right now, and frankly, we got Brad there flying that. Steve Sorge out of East Troy, Wisconsin, in Paso Robles, California, to its original configuration. And by 2000, it was purchased by its current owner. Family Air Show fun. We really do appreciate you coming out and spend your day. Do take good care of yourself. Make sure you get yourself plenty of good things to eat and drink and enjoy the day. And as I mentioned before, you can enjoy the show from anywhere on the grounds here, as we do have the world's largest theater screen. That is that big Northern Illinois sky. Again, welcome to the 2025 edition of our Northern Illinois Air Show. Wings over Waukegan. These great community events. So we want to give a great big shout out to American Place Casino. Want to thank Signature Aviation as well as EMCO, Chemical Distributors Incorporated, the standard of excellence in chemical distribution and packaging. Also want to thank Burris Equipment as well as Brunswick. Want to take the opportunity to also thank Liberty, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, and Subaru. right, as we watch our TBMs recover out here. Still, there's always some out there that when you put the fire out, it kind of goes with it. So right now you can see got JP Mellor's warming up in the bullpen, just waiting for his clearance. Again, thank you so much, folks, for being out here with us every time we turn around. It's so cool to look out and see so many more people with us here today as we celebrate this, our Sunday edition of our 2025 Northern Illinois Airshow, Wings over Waukegan. All right, our air boss Scott Duck has just cleared JP Mellor in the aerobatic container. JP is flying that over to Susan Dacey. She's going to take his Northern American with Big Red.